Good morning. Today is the 5th day of K trade show, and we already left a half of the show behind. And this year, the main topic of K show was circular economy and technology innovation. And in that content, I'm Resul from PRMTAIWAN having an interview with Ina Vettkötter from VDMA. Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Ina Vettkötter. I'm from VDMA, Plastics and Rubber Machinery, and there I'm responsible for our communication projects, as for example here at K 2019.
Nice to see you here and welcome our interview. And can you introduce VDMA for us?
Yes, of course. VDMA is the largest industry association in Europe, with about 3,250 member companies, representing the main part of the mechanical engineering industry in Germany and Europe.
Thank you. And because in this show this year we are all talking about circular economy and trying to find some solution for environment and for sustainable industry as well. In this concept, can you introduce us circular economy, what that is and how does it work?
Yes. We discussed very long with our member companies what would be necessary to introduce the topic here at K 2019. So we decided that it would be very good to explain first what does it mean, circular economy for the plastics industry, and second we want to show good examples for circular economy, and of course we want to bring people into dialogue, and this is why we have an exhibition here showing what is circular economy about, and of course we have a daily program where we bring the experts to the visitors of the K show.
Thank you. And behind I'm seeing kind of circle. It's a kind of circular economy and contains almost all the aspects. Would you introduce this for us?
Yeah, this is the structure here of the exhibition in our pavilion. So we try to show at first the successful loops, because we want to show that there are in some areas successful loops still working well, and they really pay off. And then of course we want to show the crucial steps within the circle. So first of all there is design and production. So first of all you have a good product design to provide the recyclability of the products after their life. And then we show that if you want to have good working circular economy, it starts all with collecting of the waste. So the waste treatment, waste collecting is one of the most important points here. Then after that, of course, we have the plastic recycling processes, which are also very important, because you want to have recyclates of very good quality to have good products out of them. And this is what we show here, products made of recyclate. And of course, we want to show what are our visions for the future, because we are still at the very beginnings of the circular economy and its realization, and there is still a lot of work to be done. We have one point here, we have the packaging, plastics packaging here also, because most critical voices are because of the littering of plastics packaging. The amount of packaging is quite huge here, and also here we show that we are ready for solutions to provide packaging materials that are recyclable in the end. And of course the mechanical engineering industry does really a very big contribution here also.
Okay, thank you so much. This is valuable information. And you just mentioned about some examples for the circular economies. Can you introduce us if there are any company or if there is any specific example?
Yes, for successful loops we have, for example, here in Germany, the loop of the PVC windows. which has been running for more than 15 years very successfully. All old windows, about 30 or 40 years old, go back into the loop, and they are recycled. And as you can see here, the core here of the profiles is made of recyclate, and yeah, it works well, and it pays off in the end. So it's also economically very successful.
Thank you. It's a really nice example for reuse concept. And do you have another example?
I think what I would like to show you is some of the crucial steps within the circle. As for example, if we go here to the production processes, you see here many of our member companies providing technology that provide a very stable production process, including, for example, digitalization, because recyclates have not very reliable qualities up to now, and so it's necessary to optimize the processes while running.
Thank you. And I would like to ask about the government function, government roles in circular economy. What would you say about that?
Well, I think all the players in the circle have to play their role, and they all can contribute. But it's really true that the politicians, the governments play a major role here, because they set the framework and with their rules and regulations. And I think it's really important to trigger circular economy to have the right setting here.
It's nice to hear that there is a really government support for this economy. And as a last, do you have any message for our audience or plastic and rubber industry?
Well, yes, I think we all in the plastics industry can contribute to the realization of circular economy. And I think every step is crucial, and it is very important that we work together, that we cooperate. So collaboration is the key here. And I think what's more, we all need a new and fresh thinking. We have to reinvent plastics production, plastics products, and I think here at K-Show we already see a lot of examples that exactly that works, and I think we should be open to new ways to go, and this is what I would like to have from the industry. Yes.
Okay, thanks so much. We are PRMTAIWAN. We were with Ina Vettkötter from VDMA, and we discuss about circular economy, government's role, and we also discuss about some example. We are really thankful to you, because we really obtained useful information from you. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.